friends, today I have a digital door lock to show to you. It's from a brand called LockPro. LockPro is from Korea. They are OEMs, original equipment manufacturers. They design locks for commercial, industrial and residential purposes. They have a variety of digital door locks for homes in different categories like rim lock, mortise, glass lock, hotel lock, push-pull, etc. It's got a this one is a lock number, model number called C150. It is a mid-sized lock. It's got a very sleek design and a touchpad also. You can enter the pin number to unlock it, or you can use the RF cards. Also, you can use the key slot also. And there's a installation is quite simple. You don't have to drill a separate hole. You can use the existing hole in the door for fitting the door lock. So let's unlock it from outside. In my case, my pin number is 1234 and you need to press the start. I've kept only 4 digits. For your safety, you are given option for up to 13 digits, so you can have fun with the pin number. You also have an auto lock functionality. Then you can unlock it from inside just by pressing down the handle. There's also a high temperature or fire detector built in. So if the temperature goes more than 60 degrees in the room, it detects a fire and it will open the lock automatically. It will also give an alarm also. There's also another password hide feature. It's a very interesting feature. You might be thinking, someone might see the fingerprint on the lock and will try to open it up. So for that case, you can enter any random number followed by your real password. So in this case, I'll be entering some 4 random numbers, then followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. So even then you can open it. So you can have different numbers each time. So this is a very handy feature. The next feature that I want to show to you is the prank prevention feature. For example, some random person or intruder tries to break open just by trying some random passwords, some random numbers by brute force. So in that case, the lock will let in only 5 incorrect entries. After 5 incorrect entries, there's a timeout. There's also an audible alarm that scares away the person. And after the timeout is over, the touch screen becomes active once again. So here I've tried 5 times with an incorrect number. You can see that the touch screen doesn't work anymore. Okay. Apart from this, it is also shock proof. So how is this beautiful device powered? There's no wiring. So this beautiful device is powered up by 4 1.5 volts AA alkaline batteries. You need to turn it around on the inside and you can see it up. You can open up the battery slot. You can see the batteries. So in case these batteries, they are meant to last for at least about a year. In case the battery goes low, there's also an audible alarm also. In case you didn't heat the low battery alarm for several days and the batteries are totally drained, so in that case you can connect to these ports 9 volts emergency battery to open it up. There's also the key slot. It comes with the key. You can close it and open it in case none of these things, your battery got drained or you forgot your pin, you can still use these keys. Apart from this, there's something called an etiquette feature where you have the volume setting. You can keep it at mute or you can even keep it at high. So features wise, it compares with the Yale lock YDM3109. This MRP is 16,999 in India. If you get it from authorized dealers, probably you'll be getting it at a discounted price also. So that's about this lock. Hope you like this. If you do like it, let me know in the comment section and do subscribe. Thank you.